I'm shaking, drinking all this coffee. These last few weeks have been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination.
You know I'm gonna get.
Ako'y maalaga, asong mataba, buntot ay mahaba, makinis sa muka, mahal niya ako, mahal ko din siya, kaya kaming dalawa, laging magkasama, break it down. Bugtong, hindi tao, hindi hayop. Ayan na, di mo pa makita. Sagot, hangin. Bahay kubo, kahit muntik, ang halaman doon. Debo, Ah. Huh. More like us. More pillows. So big.
Get that exercise, wash your hands, sanitize. Let's go when you're in. Shake down twice a day. One round, stay away.
Oh no, ito na ang pinakamaganda sa lahat. Oh, mukhang andito na ako sa pinupuntahan ko. Ang ganda ng lugar. Sobrang ganda talaga. Sa lugar na ito. Ito mo, nagalaw ng ilong ko.
The light and airy feeling. Always anti-wrinkle conditioner. Goodbye. Hello, light, airy smoothness.
Kami, kaya masarili mo.
I extend to you my warmest congratulations.
Ibinabalot Supreme Court at Pasig rate mula 75% sa 74%.
Adi, ito, ako.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucking house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucking house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house bored. I'm bored in the motherfucking house bored and I'm bored in the motherfucking house bored. Hey.
I need me a thick chick sitting on the couch and I'm going through my Netflix.
Tumingin ka sa akin. Tumingin ka sa akin. Titig pa. Titig pa. Oh. Sa akin ka lang. Huwag kang titingin sa iba.